Alright, so yeah, I'm about to kind of zoom through this little intro because I'm way behind schedule. I'm supposed to be on the road, but look at him. You want to get in the video?
Let's do it.
Make sure y'all like this video. Drop a green emoji, you know. And after the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't already subscribed, then go ahead and handle that. Go ahead.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big living boomkas. Let's do it. The big like a boomkas. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big living boomkas, she liking my flow. Been being on all bitch called the scope. Beat the ball, the rider with me and lit bow. I knew that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch, gon' hit the dough. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime on the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he really lost all. Used to pull up and shut up the water. Now show us the nigga that talks. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that hot boy.
Right now, I'm getting ready to go to Raleigh to meet up with the Raleigh chapter of the Street Predators. They're having a trunk or treat event. And I'm about to go see what they got going on since I got the day off. I wasn't gonna go nowhere, but I was like, might as well. So I might give y'all some driving footage on the way, but more than likely, the next clips you'll see is me at the event. Mango.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Good.
What's going on? Hey, you see the no work clothes, you see?
Okay.
You see me?
I'm not used to it yet. I still see the shirt.
Shake a girl out here or they just got her car?
That's what I'm trying to figure. That's what I was trying to figure out. I guess they got a car again.
Yeah. I don't see the other one.
Nah, I don't think she came out, to be honest.
What's going on out here?
Man, this little community thing. Apparently they got a meet tonight too.
Right.
Yeah, I think it starts at 8.
Gonna get me a little content, you know, little YouTube content.
Let me tell Harlem that you're here, so she can.
All right. What's up, man?
I didn't know it was like that, bro. I've never seen it.
Yes!
You ready? You ready?
Let him talk with it. Look, Slime been trying to get me on camera.
Is you ready?
You know, with my whole IG and stuff, you know what it is. Go ahead, be the spokesperson.
Is she ready?
You look good too.
Come on, keep it going, keep it going.
I did not mind her. Go ahead, look. Go ahead, Michael.
You starting to brand.
No, I'm gonna go back to Slime. That's what I'm gonna do.
Come on now. I got 4K on YouTube now. 4K on YouTube.
That's what's up. I'm gonna badge her up. We're gonna go badge her up right now. Wait, I gotta get the other badges first. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. I gotta go get his and. I told Slime. I be hiding from that camera.
I got you on a lot, but I ain't put the clips in. Now, if it was a dude, you know, I just put them in. You know, I respect the girls. You gotta respect the women, cause when we ain't ready, we ain't ready. A lot of these cars, I mean, y'all done seen before, but we all the same club, but it's just different chapters. Yo, I follow them on Instagram. I be following car people, but I don't know how they actually look in person. I'm in your way.
I see spooky cars.
Hey, that's your car?
No.
You know who car that is? What's up, man?
Where you look at?
All the way over there.
Why she hiding over there?
Hey, cause I just pulled up, you know, I ain't, you know what I'm saying, I ain't know what was going on. How you doing, man?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Wanna say something on the camera?
You can follow me on IG, Cant 392. Put some wraps on the car? Some decal on the side, or?
Yeah, I put on the hood. You know, I've been had it on the side, but I had extra, so I just threw it on the hood.
I'm gonna check it out real quick. How's Atlanta? See you in the...
Man, yo, Atlanta was crazy. When I tell you, all you seen was Mopars, that's all you seen.
Oh yeah.
Now, I'm working on something right now.
They look good either or.
I'm gonna stick with the matte though.
It's just the hood.
Yeah, you know those been on there.
Yeah.
The color way better in person.
Huh?
The color way better in person.
It do?
I'm on your Instagram. Yeah.
You do? What's your Instagram? You wanna shout it out?
Blue Thunder. Blue
Oh,
underscore.
hey, I was looking for the owner. I was just over there at your car.
Yeah.
It's like I be following your car pages. Like I don't know what the owner look like.
Exactly. That's me. Blue Thunder. Yeah. Definitely way better in person.
Oh yeah,
I love
appreciate it.
Yeah, no doubt. I don't got no.
Hey, shout your Instagram out.
Blue underscore Thunder underscore SS.
Y'all got anything out here?
Oh yeah, I got that one with the nose on.
You know that pedal bike over there?
That's you?
That pedal bike. Man.
That's you?
Yeah.
You got an Instagram for it?
Quick feet underscore black toe.
You got Instagram for yours?
Flash.
That's your
Green Flash NC. Is it Green Flash NC? Started.
Y'all gonna make me
Green
get
Flash
an
NC. You
Instagram
gotta
with
get
my
Instagram,
car.
baby.
Come on, you got to.
Got to.
How can you not?
She gonna show love.
Cause I be like, I like going under the radar. I don't like.
You is gonna be on the radar. Like I didn't even know who he was. I just knew the car.
That's all we do is post the car.
I would have been the same way. I see you every once in a while, but I definitely know your car. I was like, oh.
What's your Instagram?
Slime Pat underscore 392.
Say it again.
It's all over the car.
I'm like,
Look on the side. So it's everywhere.
It's on the wheels.
It's on the wheels.
Okay. Look, I'm under the influence. Okay.
so what's it with the design?
It's a graffiti.
Random pattern.
It's like graffiti. I love graffiti.
Okay.
Does the slime pack got Phoenix?
Nah, it's just I just came up with a name. The color subline, you know, it's a scat pack, so I put it together.
Yeah, it's nice. You did your thing.
Appreciate it. Go check that YouTube video. I just did a video on
He
that.
said YouTube. All right, I got you.
Nah, about everything you see on the outside.
Anything about the hood?
Nah, I ain't touched the hood yet.
Yeah.
You just got it though, really. So
Nah, I had it was a year.
it's still on warranty. Well,
Yeah, it's still on warranty.
yeah, I got you.
Still do intake,
Here
headers.
you go.
I'm gonna do that.
I'm like, I did all that on the
Tell
warranty.
me,
I just
in
talked
due
to my
time.
service- I talked to my service advisor. I'm like, hey,
Right?
I said, hey man, as long as I bring it back to you, he's like, as long as you bring it back to me,
Right.
you good.
I said, like, you know, coming into my next year ownership, that's when I'm gonna start touching up under the hood.
There you go. There you go.
I'm getting ready to change up the look though.
What you gonna do to it?
Watch the YouTube. Watch the YouTube. Come on. He trying to get out. He trying to get all the free stuff. Trying to get all the free stuff.
All off the rip.
Watch the YouTube. And y'all gonna be on there. I said y'all gonna be on there.
We driving this bitch now. I'm trying to tell you.
If you say win, just watch the YouTube to see.
Look at you. Trying to get them hits.
Hey, I'm at. What? How?
You
What's
can't
up?
be fine as hell, have a nice ass car. Y'all niggas cheating.
How does cheating?
I don't want to talk about it.
How does
Hey,
cheating?
I'm gonna shout you out though.
You gonna shout me out?
A1 from day one. So
Right.
that's it. Straight. But she cheating like hell though. Ugly girl should have stuff.
Oh, I got you.
You see what I'm saying?
I get what he's saying.
Yeah, like if it's like double. They get You gonna look at the video like, damn, yeah.
You don't fit.
And then you gonna look at the car and be like, damn, the car fired too.
So,
she winning.
so I'm cheating.
She cheating like her.
You ain't doing the
Cheating like her.
where
You look at my car, you be like, nah, look at that nigga.
where it's supposed to be like a
What'd you say?
It's not supposed to be a good chick with a good
Yeah.
car. You know how
Yeah.
it is with dudes.
It's like when I hop out, they don't expect me to get out.
Facts, that's my point. You be like, all right, I'm gonna really look now. Yeah, okay.
What you about to subscribe?
Well, I'm gonna follow you on
Oh, okay.
Instagram.
When you look at them over there, they look like the bumper of their car.
Yo.
You know? You don't look like that. So it's cheating. Yeah, look at that. She look like a Buick.
He said Buick, yo.
YouTube. Same name?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. If I can still pack.
Bleeding on the inside.
1, 2.
You got the
There you right there.
but yeah, that's me.
I get you. Oil change.
Then just
Fix that out.
yeah. Yeah, I see. Oh yeah. You ain't that. Make sure you turn on that bell.
I guess you want to get the notifications.
You gotta
too?
turn them notifications
Got your
on.
notifications.
Cause you're gonna be like, you ain't upload no video when you ain't got the bell on.
I'll call you out.
Hey,
I'll call you out.
hey, I call you out for not having the bell on.
I just put it on you though.
Hey, and if you ain't watching it, hey, something wrong.
I'm watching. I'm probably sleeping.
I upload every Monday and Friday, 6:30.
Cheating.
Damn, look at on there. On there.
Every Monday and Friday, 6:30.
She's sitting there. She's like, it's the same.
Let you know ahead of time.
What's up?
And I send out notifications before YouTube send out their notifications, so ain't no excuse.
We got you.
Appreciate that, y'all.
Yes, sir. I'm a ghost. I ain't even alive.
Here you go.
You know your badge was made and they gave it to somebody else, right?
So they gave it to somebody else.
On
Hey.
accident because they thought you had a green one just because your
Oh.
car green.
Tell them not.
Does it say over?
When y'all figure out what it say, let me know.
Honestly, it's honestly just
come
some
to you
arrows,
one day.
like just, you know.
One day it'll come to
That's all it is. It's just some arrows just concerning.
words.
Cam, can I have a candy?
It'll say something.
Thanks.
You said it said something. You really think it say something?
I can have one. You like her car?
That's fake.
You do?
They said it said
Now
something.
he likes the car.
He told
Oh,
us
God,
no.
no.
Comment down below if y'all think it said something.
Maybe if you ask
It look like a Z, it look like an N, but it's really graffiti.
Cam, can he have a candy?
You on TikTok and Instagram?
Wait, you see me on TikTok? Who? What, the car? So
Yeah.
somebody made a TikTok. I don't even personally got a TikTok.
You don't?
Mm-mm.
I saw you though.
Hey, but y'all got Instagram,
Yeah.
YouTube. You follow my YouTube?
No, I don't.
Where you following at?
I follow. I probably learned this song. Yeah. Nope.
You know this is going on my channel, right?
Oh yeah.
So, you know, just in case. Alright, you know. There you go, you subscribe. You want to shout out anything? You would change your lanes?
Yeah, I would change your lane.
You got Instagram you want to shout out?
Real Norm underscore. Real underscore Norm.
I got you, man.
Appreciate it.
What's up, man? Shout out anything?
Yeah, follow me on Instagram, Tell as well, like TAIL, and you know my YouTube, MK Hart. That's pretty much it.
I snapped you on my way here. I said I'm headed that way.
What time you got here?
I've been here now, maybe about 40 minutes. I seen you. I was coming over here, but then some people called me over there to my car, and I got distracted.
I know that was a quick drive.
Took me
like 2.5 hours.
Took me an hour and 20 to get here from Pembroke. What's up, man? You want to shout out anything?
Follow my IG, Dan Guapo. You already know it. Shout out Street Predators too.
You ain't made no YouTube yet?
Ain't got a YouTube.
When you gonna make one?
Probably not.
Probably not.
What with the IG though?
I'm always making people subscribe to mine, so I just subscribed to his. Y'all go check his channel out.
I'm trying to get like yours.
How often you upload?
See, I've been slipping. I need a camera.
That's what. No, you don't need a camera. No, you. Hey, edit, post it, delete it.
Yeah. Okay. You right. So I'm trying to clear up the storage.
So what's the next excuse?
Nothing. I'm gonna get right. You know.
Spin the block getting busy, we play with no